Morning, everyone. Sorry, I'm a little hoarse. So today is day 3 of our instructional quarantine, and like I told you on Thursday, we were going to start with area today on Monday. So, quick review over what area actually is. Area is the measurement of space inside of a shape. So, when you see a shape, you're going to know that area is on the inside. Remember, perimeter is the outside and area is the inside. Okay? So one really important thing about area is that we use square units. Square units are the unit of measurement for area, which basically means that you're doing the measurement of the side times the side. So the side multiplied by the side. It sounds really, really kind of weird, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be second nature. So when we do look at area, we usually have a shape as like this, and it usually has a shaded area inside of the shape. All of these little squares are square units, as I have made clear right here. So each square is a square unit. So basically all you do for area is you try to figure out how much space is being occupied in the shape. So for this one, and I probably should have used another color, but anyway. So I have shaded in a couple of square units, and I've shaded in square units on this shape. These are two separate shapes. So you're going to find the area for this shape, and then you're going to find the area for this shape. Actually, we're probably going to do it together. So, easiest thing I can tell you is when you're looking at the area, or when you're trying to figure out the area, what you're going to do is, the easiest thing to do is multiply. So, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to count how many rows are being occupied this way, and then how many rows are being occupied this way. So down here, or let's do this one. So on the side you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So you're automatically going to know that there's 5. So you're going to do 5, and then how many is it this way? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. So the same thing that we used to do with our strategies with multiplication. So when we would group the group and then count how many were in each group, basically the same thing. So if it makes it easier for you, you can circle the rows as we have used that as a strategy before. And so you have 5 in each row, right? Or column, I'm sorry, I'm using these wrong. These are columns, these are rows. So you have 5 so you counted 5 this way, and then you have 3 going down. So 5 times 3, and then if it makes it easier for you to count them one by one, you can do that if you want to, or if you already know your multiplication facts pretty well, then you can do it that way. So we'll just go ahead and count them one by one, just so we know we're all on the same page. So you have 5 times 3. Also, you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, the area of this shape is 15 square units. Now, square units does not have an abbreviation, just that like centimeters and inches, feet, yards, like what we talked about last week. They don't have an abbreviation. So you're going to have to write out square units if it's not given. Or, again, it's incomplete. So, for this one, 15 square units. Now, we're going to move to this one. So, you can do the exact same thing, guys. So, you have 2 rows this way. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So you could do, and these are interchangeable, guys. You could do 8 multiplied by 2, or you could do 2 multiplied by 8. Same thing with this one. You could do 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by 5. You're going to get the same thing. So again, if you want to count them out one by one, you can very well do that. Or if you know your multiplication facts, 2 times 8, 8 times 2, same thing. So, but we're going to go ahead and just count them one by one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the area of this shape is 16 square units. Now, what if the whole entire thing was shaded? So let's say for this one, the whole shape was shaded. All right? So you got all of this shaded. Now, this is one of those irregular shapes, right, that we talked about. Because it doesn't have the same perimeter around the whole entire shape. So, what you would do here, you already know that this right here is 16. To make it easier, you can just divide it up. Same thing we did for like that missing side. So you can do this one. So I mean, right here, you don't even have to really multiply. You can just do, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you already know that's 8. So you're gonna add that to the 16. Now, here you go. You can use multiplication right here on this shape. Right here. So you have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 multiplied by how many columns? 1, 2, 3. 6 times 3. I'm going to let y'all figure that out on your own. But anyway, we'll go ahead and still count by ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this right here is 18. So all you're going to do is add up the 18 plus, let's bring up the 16, plus the 8. So then you already know 8 plus 8 is 16. And then 16 plus 6, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So you're going to drop that 2, carry the 2. So then 2 plus 2 is 4. So the whole entire area of this shape is 42 square units. Hope I didn't confuse y'all too much. I just figured I'd go ahead and put that extra little skill in there. Because I know it's going to come up later on. So yeah, that's basically the gist of area. Again, we're going to continue working with this and practicing because, again, like I might have lost some of y'all right there, which is okay because we're all still learning. You know, we were learning as we were going into spring break, and then the coronavirus hit, and we've been out of school for 3 weeks. So, yeah. So this is it. Please let me know if you have any questions, if you need guidance on if you're doing it right, if you're getting something wrong. Obviously, you have my number. Your parents have my number. Email, Google Hangouts. Please, please, please call me if you have any trouble. That's what I'm here for. All right? We're in this together. And go ahead and answer the questions in your exit ticket. I cannot say that. Exit ticket.